Reel-to-reel molding systems are a type of manufacturing technology used for continuous production of components, typically in the electronics industry. These systems are designed to handle flexible materials, such as plastic films or tapes, and enable high-volume, automated manufacturing processes. Here's a general overview of how reel-to-reel process molding systems work. Material handling. The process begins with the feeding of a continuous roll of flexible material, such as a metal insert, electronic components, plastic film, or tape, onto a reel. Pre-processing. The material may go through various pre-processing steps before entering the molding phase. This can include surface treatment, cleaning, or coating to enhance adhesion or functionality. Molding. The reel material passes through a molding station where polymer material will be over-molding on the reel material. Cutting and trimming. After the molding or curing processes, the continuous material may be cut or trimmed into individual components or specific lengths using cutting mechanisms or laser systems. Inspection and quality control. Automated inspection systems may be incorporated to check the quality, dimensions, and functionality of the molded components. Any defective or out-of-spec components can be identified and rejected. Winding and packaging. Once the components have been inspected and approved, they are wound onto a final reel or spool, ready for further processing or packaging. Packaging can involve placing the components in trays, blister packs, or other suitable containers. Reel-to-reel molding systems offer several advantages, including high production throughput, consistent quality, and cost-effective manufacturing of components. They are commonly used in industries such as electronics, flexible displays, sensors, solar cells, and many others where continuous and precise production is required. It's important to note that the specific configuration and capabilities of reel-to-reel molding systems can vary depending on the desired application and industry requirements.